Hi, good morning. Hope you are fine. Yesterday we have studied about Paleolithic age. Now we are going to study Mesolithic age. Mesolithic age. Mesolithic age is around 12,000 to 10,000 years ago. Mesolithic age around 12,000 years to 10,000 years ago. Around 12,000 years ago, a major change came into the climatical conditions throughout the world. A major change in the climatical conditions. As a result of the climatical conditions, the climate become relatively warm. As the result, the climate become relatively warm. It marked the beginning of the Mesolithic age. This marked the beginning of the Mesolithic age. That means around 12,000 years ago, a major climatical changes that occurred in the world and the climate became warm. This marked the beginning of the Mesolithic age. This age lasted for a short period of time. Mesolithic age lasted for a short period of time. The warm climate led to the increase in the variety of plants and animals. So, hunting and food gathering became easier. This warm climate helped a variety of plants and also increase in animals and varieties of plants. So, hunting and food gathering became easier. Thus, the condition for that human survival became favorable. These conditions favored the human survival. Their culture that represents a variety of hunting, fishing and food gathering techniques. That time they develop a variety of hunting, fishing and food gathering techniques. During this period, people began to make a different type of tools called microliths. People make a different type of tools, microliths. This microlith is that more sharper than the tools that made in the Paleolithic age. And they made scrapers and borers. Borers means a tool for that boring holes, and hammers and sickles. Sickles is a short farming tools, cutting or the trimming that plants, and bows and arrows. The bow and arrow made it easy to hunt animals. These types of microliths have been found in that Adamgarh in Madhya Pradesh and Begar in Rajasthan. This type of microliths means but they are tools that are found in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. And the domestication of plants and animals. That Mesolithic people domesticated that animals, and which means the process of that selecting and training animals. The domestication of animals means the process of that selecting and training animals, and the art of growing food source. They discovered the food value of seeds and certain grasses such as barley and wheat. They discovered the value of seeds, the food value of seeds, and they discovered that grasses and also barley and wheat. And they began to gather these four. They began to gather these. This means that barley or that wheat and other that grasses. They might have experimented by that dropping seeds. By dropping seeds into the soil and found plants growing. They discovered dropping seeds into that plant and that plants growing, and they found plants growing. Men learned to that tame animals, the domesticated animals such as dog, cow, goat, etc. Man domesticated animals in the Mesolithic age. That animals are that dog. They first domesticated dog, cow and goat. And in the Mesolithic age, men made their own primitive houses. Mesolithic men made their primitive houses which were usually built in the river valleys. Mesolithic men discovered that they built their own primitive houses in the river valleys. In the the river valley, they get plenty of water and fertile soil. So they built houses in the river valley. They buried dead bodies. The Mesolithic men buried their dead bodies along with offerings, and they believe in that death after life. And such as the offerings such as food, ornaments, etc. In the burial, in the dead bodies, the offerings such as they keep that like food or ornaments, etc. And one of the most important source about early human are rock paintings. The most important was the rock paintings. In Bhimbetka, such type of more than 500 paintings have been found. In Bhimbetka, in MP, we get more than 500 paintings. And these caves have been listed in the World Heritage Site of the UNESCO. The Bhimbetka site, this cave, it have been listed as the World Heritage Site in UNESCO. In these paintings, animals have been shown separately. In these rock paintings, animals have been separately hunting scenes or running after the hunters. The animals running after the hunters or the hunting scenes. And birds, fish, lizards, and crabs, frogs, etc. have also been drawn. They draw that birds, fish, that lizard, crabs, and frogs also. And some paintings show men and women. In some type of painting, we can see that men and women, and they use red and white color for painting. The Mesolithic men use red or white color for painting. These all are about the Mesolithic age. Now we are wind up our second chapter, the early humans, and okay, then bye.